Hi everybody, this is Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and welcome to today's weekly walk in the park, where we take 3 minutes to answer your questions about roof repairs, roof replacements, and the insurance claim process. And since here we are in January of 2019, it seems appropriate to answer your question: what time of year is the best time to roof my house? Well, thankfully, Colorado's Front Range is blessed with weather that's temperate enough. We can actually roof all year round. So 12 months out of the year, we can install roofs as long as the weather cooperates with us. And we talked about that in last week's video, Can You Roof My House in the Wintertime? And we'll link to that at the end of this video. But as far as what is the best time of year to roof a house, my favorite times are spring and fall. And that's when the weather is really typically mild enough. Fall, in my opinion, is the best because all of the summer storms are over. We're typically before all the snow starts flying and the really frigid temperatures. January, in my mind, is typically the worst, but here we are in January and it's beautiful, 50 degrees. So anyway, fall, in my opinion, is the best time. Spring is right behind that, because you've got temperatures that are typically in the 60s, and that's ideal. Once you start getting in the really high, hot temperatures of summer, like 85, 90 degrees, that actually becomes just as much of a complication as the colder weathers, because then the shingles can scuff really easily just from walking on them because they've been really softened by that sun. Best time of year, in summary, is spring and fall. However, here we are in the middle of winter time, and if you have a roofing need, especially if your house is for sale or something like that, please give us a call at our office phone number right up here, 719, I have room for that, 719-433-6991. You can also visit our website, where we've got a whole bunch more tips and information and education. The website address right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com. Be sure to watch our last video, which we'll link to. Can you roof my house in the wintertime? Be sure to like this video if you like it. Subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified when we post more videos. And if you've got any questions that you want answered here, or if you would like to see us make any videos, please leave a comment down below and let us know. Otherwise, my name's Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and we'll see you on our next weekly walk in the park.